video, I will show you how to install Geogebra, the program you need to do some of the computer problems from now onwards. So first of all, you call your browser. In a new tab, you type this address, geogebra.org. And here, go to App Downloads, down here. You can see down here, App Downloads. The one you need to install is Geogebra Classic 6. So you go to download and it will take you to a win. If it's a Mac like this one, you have to open in the App Store. But on a Windows, we'll show you here the option to download. I'll say open in the App Store because it's a Mac. And I'll download it from here. In the Windows, you download it. Once you download it and install it, you can call the program. The program has an icon like this one here, you see down here. Let me see. Or it will be in the Mac. Also, I have it here. This is Geogebra Classic 6. That's the one you want. Once you call it, you will have a window like this one. Here you can click to make this disappear and you can start typing. I will show you in another video what problems you need to do with this tool.